multi-parking?
Yes, something like that, sir.
Where is Mantri?
It's our lane only, our lane only.
Okay, they're suggesting we should have a multi-parking out here.
This is the area what we signed agreement that
Yes, yes.
1954.
Yeah.
That side between the same layer and then take the plant.
Yeah, nah.
Okay.
This is for one.
No, among their
Oh, that one? Yes, sir. But we have the principal now.
now.
Agreement. So this is for one and that one is for two. Now 2021, 22.
Yeah.
So, Boro Sahib is suggesting that we should put up a multi-parking. Maybe space-wise, so we can plan out. At least we now have an idea where the problem lies, how much money required. Good, very important. Good, very good. And we see the problem live.
hapdeng ke jingther ulabba Menteri Rangba ke jela ukonrat ke sangma hakakat handai teri jemang ulale irung shupo Iewduh ha keba ula puntip baka Sorkar jela kan penkre ya ke master plan ban penbha bat pynitynnad ya ke ni ke yo ke bahek tam bat ke balarin tam ha ke jela ya ke ni ke rai chief minister ula punbena hadin ke ni ke jinglet jurip ya ke ni ke yo ha ka jing semran lang da usumbut Menteri Rangba uba Presiden Tensong Menteri Ketenat Tourism ubak Polindo ki officer bat ketenat beper bat kinomi khmat nakahima milim. Mentah ke Sorkar kaladap mangshua ndriu klur tengka na ke bentaban senapan bha ya baro kilinti ya kejat ki badan hapok kene keyo. Ngila saki baki dangdon shibun ki kam ki badang dei ban le kumta mentangin kunkre ya ka master plan ban pet gumno bangin la ban penbha bat pynitynnad ya ka Iewduh Ong Chief Minister habakren Syllad pathai kubor hadin ke jing jurem. Ngidon ke jing smokya halor kani namar hadu jan kumba shilak ngut kibriu kisanya ya ka kamai ke ji lengba kani ke Iewduh ha ki babun rukom. Kumta kalong ke bakong san ban pentikna bangin penbha bat ban kentiu ya kani ke Iewduh ulaong. Ku konrat ulaong bokakam kaladep ya lengba kani ke jing mang pisa bah ndriu klur jong ke Sorkar. Hilayo iya kilinti yai kejat bala siang daki mau ha kerukom ke baya seriem bat kilinti yai penrai ulaong. Ha kejuk ke por Chief Minister ula penbenaru ia kan rai jong ke Sorkar ban mang pisa sa khatsan klur tingkan na ke bentaban pentre ya ki projek jingte ki bakam he gum kilinti yai kejat ki nala ka jingtep ya ki pipe bat ki wei. Ya ki diki kam don kam ban le ha kerukom ke bahe. Kumta kan don kanu ke jingya tengku bat ke projek pynitynnad jong ke KHADC ula benrap. Baro hingi persyang ban pynitynnad ia kini ke jaka. Hoot kani kampat biang setia Henry katong ke jongi mentah kesni kalong ban yo iya ki weipat ki badang don kam ban le ha ke bangila syamba ki don shibun ki jing halor ke jing tu jong ke bat ki nala kumta on kentup lang ya kini ha ke jing kela ke ba lingba ke projek ke bakatsan klur tingka ong Chief Minister. Nalor kata ula benrap da ka baong hapok ke kela ka baan ni khmi lenti bangin la ban khot tender kham kloi bat ngakermen hakini ki khmiat benai ki balwan ngila ban khmi lenti ban sedang ya ki katu kat ni ki kam Henry namar jong uslap ngila ban om pria istet ya ki kam Henry kan om shimpol palat kan sa urlong no shen. Habakali Chief Minister ula ong ngila bu ya ka projek jong ka Iewduh hapok ka NEC scheme bat kat tu kat ni ka pisa kalawan lingba ka NEC bat kat tu kat ni on bay lingba ka Sorkar jela bat hadin habut na ka benta ki jingte ki bahe nginsan nangwat ya kilat kilinti barabong ngingai halor kata bat la kalong na ka Sorkar pedeng ni Sorkar jela ka thong hi kalong ban pendep ya ka kam ha kani ke jinglet yu kejat ha Iewduh upan rat ula yo ru ya kalat ban ya keren bat kinong di badan kinong rep bat kinong syong bukan bat ong Nilayo ya ki jing ajing mut ki basngo tenat bat ni bu jengmut phaya ki Henry ula ong bakin omla setia ban penhe ya ki linti bakhim namar ke jing don jong ki dukan
Kalau yang tip yang beli 1 cm ni. Wah. Hang ni tangan tu belayu lain. Wah. Jangan nisar. Itu itu. Kalian tu apa yang siap?
He wants to know what is going on, but he said there is no requirement. We will do, so we have come to me to let you to understand the problem.
Itu episode.
Move.
Like,
Tuhan moving.
I think currently we can powering and give immediately. No problem. Immediately. Yeah. No, immediately. This will be done. And we can also for the building
Kemarin lagi lo tolong.
I think let's go up in the and wherever we can remove the poles, which are not necessarily I think this is what is included. What is up? I think there's a pipeline. What is up? What is that? This pipe is included, sir? All of this is included in the new project. So all of this will be done. So this is in the 15 crore project. This piping will be all put in the new footpath. The purpose of our visit was basically to look at the overall condition and what needs to be done and what improvement has to be brought in. As you're aware, we have already sanctioned and work for 6 crores is already going on, and different parts, you will notice that the footpaths have been repaired, and it has been made into stone footpath to give it a natural look. So in that same line, we have now sanctioned close to 15 crores more, and for that also the tendering and the work, all the progress will happen. In next maybe couple of months, we should see the work for that also to start. And the main purpose is again to the pipes that are going along the footpaths. We will put them under duct, and then we will redo the entire footpath and will make it better. And also overall we will try to beautify the place. Of course, this will not be enough, but our objective today was to see what more can be done, and we realized that there's a lot of problem with water flow, with the nalas. So all of this is included in the second phase, which is the close to 15 crore project. But we realized that there is much more to be done, and therefore we are now going to prepare a master plan and see how we can bring overall improvement in Iewduh. We are very, very concerned about this because more than or close to about 1 lakh people, their livelihoods depend on Iewduh market area directly and indirectly. And therefore, it is very important for us to ensure that we are able to maintain this and bring it up. And that's why we have come in a very big delegation. All the officials from urban, municipal, PHE, MECL, and all the other related departments are all here. And slowly and steadily, we will ensure that we improve this place. As I said, we cannot do it in overnight. Obviously, it's a large work, but the process has started, and I'm very happy. We got to meet the vendors, the farmers out here, the different shopkeepers. We interacted with them. We got very good suggestions from them, and thank God it rained also. So we really could see live what problems people actually face, and it made us realize that we really need to do a lot more in this area. So we're very happy, and it's a very good visit, and we want to assure the people of Iewduh, especially the shopkeepers and the Hima and all the other traditional heads, that we will do and work hand in hand with them to ensure that we are able to improve the overall Iewduh market.